Ooh, look at that bad boy right there. It's called Blade Sen. 3D printed car. What? Get out of here.